What's up, beautiful people? We're going to have a beautiful tour, beautiful property tour in Verdana Heights. It's very beautiful, guys. It's just beside Decca, and this is already sold out. So if you can see here, every unit has at least one car, and that's I don't know what's that at the front. Maybe is it? No, it's not Decca, but this is Verdana Heights. This was pre-selling during the pandemic period. And we went here before. I took a video of this place via drone shots, and it was all a grassland. I hope I can pull up the video and show you how different it is from today. Look at the units. On the left, on our left, is are all single detached, and on the right are all townhouses. Wow, look at that. It's so gorgeous. The developer is MLD Dream Builders. They are one of the better developers. They also are the developer of Aduna, Aduna Beach Villa in Danao. Look at this. It's so nice. I'd like to thank the guard for allowing us to come here just to video the outside to show you guys what's to come because we have a new project coming soon in Cebu City. It's called Verdana, but I don't know what's the prefix yet. But this is Verdana Heights, located in Tisa, Cebu City. See you in the next video. Bye.